Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will going to cover on limit clause and minimum and maximum functions in MySQL. So before we begin with our tutorial, if you are new to my channel, we would request you to please subscribe my channel and hit a like button if you like this video, and you can provide your suggestion query in the comment section below. So let's come to the topic. So the limit clause is used to specify the number of record to return. The limit clause is useful on the last table with thousands of record. Returning a large number of record can impact the performance, right? So I'll just move on to my MySQL application to show you practically what I mean to say. So limit clause means if you want, if you have a large data set which has the thousands and billions of record under that, and you don't want to see all the records, together, what you can do is you can use a limit clause to limit your record in return. Okay, for example, you only want to see top 10 record or the 10 record from the table, so you can limit that particular table for that 10 particular record, right? So we will practically see what I mean to say. So here we have a table, customer table and the product table. So in the customer table, if I show you, so we have customer ID, customer name, and all those information over here. And if you want to see the limit clause over here, how can we use that? So probably I can just write one simple syntax for you. So here, select star from customer, select all the record from customer and limit the so we want only the 3 records from this table. So you can see that the 3 record we see over here. So if I execute, see the table over here, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to only the 3 records from this table, we can use this syntax, right? So you can see the top 3 record over here. Select star from customer, limit the 3. So we can see only the 3 records over here. So what if we want to select the record 4 and 6 inclusive? MySQL provide a way to handle this by using a offset function. Okay. For example, if I show you over here, we have this table and we want record, 4, 5, or the 4, 5 record, right? Last 2 record over here. So how we can do that, right? So for that, I need to write a syntax like this, right? Select star from customer, limit 3 and offset 3, right? If I execute this statement, I can see 4 and 5 record because I'm saying that I want only 3 records, right? And it should start from the record after record 3. Okay. So record 4 and 5, 6 is not there. That's why we are only seeing 2 records because we have a data up to 5 record. So that's why we are seeing 4 and 5. We don't see 6 because we don't have that record in this particular table. So offset means it should start from after 3. Okay. So if I have a 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I'm putting a offset 3, it means that start from 4 after 3. Okay. So 4 and 5 and 6 will be written, but 6 we don't have. So that's why we are not seeing it over here. So I hope you understand what what we mean to say over here. We can also use the where clause, right, in the limit clause, to see that. So I'll just show you the syntax for that. So select star from customer where the country is equal to Germany and limit the 3. So we want to see all the records, that is all the Germany records, right? Because where clause is a filtering the record. Okay, so we want to see the country is equal to Germany from customer table, and we have to limit this for the 3. So we are using a where clause in this case. So if I execute, we have only 1 record because only Germany, we have only 1 record for Germany. That's why we see only the 1 record. If you have a maximum record, if you can imagine, thousands and 100 lines, so we will only have the 3 records, by using this function. So I hope you understood this one. Now we will quickly move on to min and max function over here, right? So what is a min and max function? So we will quickly understand. The min function is return the smallest value of the selected column, right? And the max function is return the largest value of the selected column. Meaning, if you want to extract the minimum value from that particular column, obviously that column should be the numeric column. You can use the min function. And max function, it is opposite to the min function, like you want to extract the maximum value from that particular column or record, right? So how can we use it practically? I'll show it over here. So the syntax to the minimum for that is so we have a product table over here. So I'll just show you the product table. So this is a product table. As I said, we need the numeric column. The column should be the numerical one to execute the min and max function. So here we have a product table wherein we have product ID, product name, supplier ID, all this information we have. We have a price column. So suppose we want to extract the minimum price, the smallest price from this table, from the product table, right? So the price column is over here. So what I can do is I can just I'll also use the alias also. So I'll just show you how we can write the syntax. So select the minimum and price. Price is a column name. Okay. So min is a function and price is a column name. We have to put that in the bracket, as is alias and small price. Okay, the smallest price. So this is what the header name that we are trying to assign as a alias. Okay, so this is a very good practice in SQL, because if we use the alias name, definitely the our column name will change to whatever alias we have assigned over here, and the product is a table name, so from product table name. So if I execute this particular syntax, I will get a 10. So we are saying that 10 is a minimum price that we have in the table. So let's see, let's cross check whether we are correct or not. So if you see the price 10, right? So 10 is a smallest price, in the entire table. So that's why I think our result is showing the correct value. That is 10, right? For example, you want to see maximum price, right? Or what is the largest price in this table? So what syntax we can use? You can take this syntax. So I'll just copy paste this syntax over here. Select the max price, right? So this column as the largest price from the product table, right? So if I execute this one, I can see the largest is 22. So if I cross check this value, so the 22 is a maximum, we can see that it's a maximum price. So this is how we use the minimum and maximum function. Basically, this is the simple example. However, if we write the biggest query, right, in the industry, in the practical scenario, the minimum and max function is very useful, because if you try to combine, the multiple file over here, for example, you have the multiple file coming together, and you have one database over here, and one column is coming from the table 1, another column is coming from table 2 and table 3. So while combining all those record, we have a different line. So in order to get everything in a one line, we use a max or a minimum function. So I'll cover this maybe in my upcoming video, so you will get to know how much importance this max and minimum function is. So this is just a simple example to explain you. However, this can be used in the multiple ways, and in the multiple multiple what I can say is scenarios. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this. I hope you like this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe my channel. This will motivate us to prepare a more video for you. So thank you so much for your time.